your trot. Just squeeze with both legs, and if he doesn't, touch him with the whip a little, just a little, and go. That's when you have to touch him because he's going to the bathroom. He doesn't know that when he's going to the bathroom he has to go forward yet. Tap him with the whip, reach his side, there you go. Good. Reach his side again and go a little bit. Your contact is perfect. You just want a little bit more power from behind. Good. And change direction on the diagonal. Just like that. Very nice.
You're all over the place though.
Yeah, but you know, you haven't ridden for who knows how long. Kick with the inside leg now. Beautiful. And go. Don't let him get into that little mode. I mean, eventually you can let that happen. Very nice. And just gently walk. Just close the leg, sit up tall, and walk. And walk forward. As soon as you feel he's gonna make the transition. Now this is how it's done, Deb. This is how it's done.